Hello class 12th students. Have you solved till question number 26? Yesterday we have discussed about the treatment of workmen compensation reserve. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the investment fluctuation reserve. Okay. So all the treatment of investment fluctuation reserve are also better similar as workmen compensation reserve. Okay. So first thing in the first that also when book value and market value of investment is same कि जब मार्केट वैल्यू इन्वेस्टमेंट की सेम है बुक वैल्यू भी सेम है उस सिचुएशन में क्या होगा बेटा होल ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग द partners. Okay. And second, when the market value of investment is less than the book value, it means market value is reducing to the firm is suffering loss. So in that situation the firm have to recover that loss from the reserve. So in that situation investment fluctuation will be debited to investment. So in to investment you have to transfer the deficit value. Okay, what is the whatever difference will be there between book value and market value, that value you have to record here, and after that subtract that investment value from the investment fluctuation reserve. Then you will get whatever left balance, that will be divided among partners in the old ratio. Okay, and after that fall in the value of is equal to investment fluctuation reserve. If the difference will be equal to investment reserve, so in that situation the investment reserve will not be transferred to the partners capital account. Okay, so only you have to write investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investment account. Okay, if the foreign value is more than इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व. अब अगर क्या होता है वैल्यू इन्वेस्टमेंट से भी ज़्यादा हो जाती है तो उस सिचुएशन में आप क्या करेंगे बेटा इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व डेबिट टू इन्वेस्टमेंट. लंबाई वाइज मान लेते हैं यहाँ 50,000 हमारे पास रिजर्व था, वैल्यू कम कितनी होगी 60,000, देन 10,000 वी ट्रांसफर टू रिवोल्यूशन. ए सेम वे वी हैव ट्रांसफर्ड इन द रिवोल्यूशन. ओके, एंड वंस मोर इफ the loss is occurred now in revaluation, so that loss will be transferred to partners capital account to revaluation. This will be in old ratio. when market value of investment is more than book value, अगर more than book value आ जाती है बेटा तो क्या होगा whole reserve will be transferred to partners capital account, and whatever value is increased, so then you have to treatment investment debit to revaluation, then the profit on investment will transfer to the revaluation account. Okay, so now we will understand by the help of one numerical. Okay, see beta question number 27. Question is A, B, C are partners. Sharing ratio is 4:3:2. Sharing ratio new will be 2:3:4. Okay, investment fluctuation reserve was 54,000 and investment were of 6 lakh. Okay, now here adjustments are given. The first one is there is no information. So I already told you in no information we have to transfer whole reserve to the partners capital account. Just I will transfer the next. So see here I will write investment fluctuation fund debit to partners. 3 partners are there na, so to A's capital. So see beta I have transferred here investment fluctuation fund to A's capital 24, to B's capital 18, to C's capital 12, because I have divided this in old ratio because all the reserves are transferred in old ratio. Okay, now case 2 is saying if the market value of investment is 6 lakh. ठीक है, इन्वेस्टमेंट की मार्केट वैल्यू कितनी है 6 लाख, बुक वैल्यू भी 6 लाख थी. तो इन दिस सिचुएशन सेम केस विल बी कॉपी पेस्ट हेयर. ठीक है, तो सेम एंट्री विल बी नोटेड, तो सेम एज केस फर्स्ट. ओके, सेम केस तरह क्योंकि रिजर्व हमारा डेफिसिट में नहीं गया है. ओके, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? नाउ इन द थर्ड केस द क्वेश्चन इज इफ द मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 5,91,000. 5,91,000. Here the book value is 6 lakhs, so the firm is suffering 9 lakh loss. Okay, so in case 3 we have to write investment fluctuation fund debit, okay, to investment. So see beta, here 54,000 reserve was there, out of which 9,000 was deficiency of investment that I have transferred, so there is 55,000 will left, okay. So 45, 9 5 the 45 divided in old ratio, so 5 4 the this A will get 20,000, B will get 15,000, okay, or C will get 10,000, okay. So this will be the treatment, okay. Now there is case 3. In case 3, market value of investment is 5,28,000. 5,28,000. So we are having investment fluctuation fund debit 54,000 reserve we are having, and to investment, how much loss we firm is suffering? 528 is not, so subtract it from 6 lakh, so 72,000 firm is suffering loss, okay. Or now here is 54,000 reserve, so revaluation will be debited. If the expense is more than liability is rising na, subtract it from here, 12 4 8 6 4 1 18,000, okay. How much? 18. तो यहाँ पे लिख देंगे being investment reduced by 72,000, okay. So the firm is not able to cover from reserve, so that revaluation loss will be transferred to partners capital account. So A is capital debit, B is capital debit, C is capital debit to revaluation, okay. 18,000 will come here, it is the loss of revaluation. So 9 2 ja 18, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, okay. तो यहाँ पे रख देंगे being loss transfer to partners, okay beta. So these are the 4 adjustment. And now last is saying if the market value of investment is 660, okay, and investment are of 6 lakh, इन्वेस्टमेंट कितने के हैं? 6 लाख के हैं, रिजर्व कितना है? 54,000 है, तो होल रिजर्व द फर्म इज सेविंग, ओके. तो इन केस 5, a whole investment fluctuation fund will be transferred to partners capital account. Investment fluctuation fund debit to A's capital, to B's capital, okay, to C's capital, okay. So one thing more, the firm is saving how much? 60,000. So firm is having revaluation. So in this case, what you have to do? Whole reserve will be transferred because there is no loss. So first transfer whole loss, whole reserve to partners capital account, okay. So this will be 24,000, okay, 18,000 and 12,000, okay, being reserve transferred to partners capital account, okay. The second entry will be investment debit, because the value of investment is rising, okay, to revaluation account. How much rising? 60,000, okay. So in this case 60,000 is transferred to revaluation, being increase in investment, okay. Now the revaluation profit will be transferred to partners capital account. Then in that case revaluation account debit to A's capital account to B is capital account, to C is capital accounts has 60,000. Okay, and this 60,000 will be credited to partners in this older ratio. Okay, the ratio is 437 to 9, 7 ja 63. Okay, we will distribute this into 4:3:2 by yourself. Okay, फिर से एक बार रिपीट कर देता हूँ सारी केसेस को. इन द फर्स्ट केस there is no other information, so I have transferred the whole reserve to partners capital account. Okay, in older ratio. In case second, the market value of investment is equal to book value, that is why whole reserve again transferred to partners. Okay, so same entry will be noted here. In the third case, the market value of investment is 591, book value is 6 lakh, that is a 9,000 investment value was reducing, so I have covered from the reserve to investment fluctuation fund debit. Okay, 54,000 to 9,000 investment, remaining reserve I have transferred to partners capital account. Okay, in case third, so in case 4, sorry, in case this one is case 4, this is case 4, and in case 4 investment fluctuation reserve we have 54,000, but the investment value was reducing by 72,000, then 18,000 I have transferred to revaluation account because this is the loss on revaluation. Okay, so the loss of revaluation was debited to partners capital account. In the last case, we have reserved 54,000 and the market value of investment was rising, sorry, book value of market value of investment was rising by 60,000, then the firm is having gain, that is why investment debit to revaluation I have transferred. Okay, and after that whatever this profit we have got it, that will transfer into new older ratio to the partners, to old partners. Okay, so I think सभी को समझ में आ गया होगा. Now pause this video and note down this question completely. Everybody is visible to see. Okay, thank you.